Hello, my name is Curtis Jones Sr., along with my wife, Vickie Jones. We are co-owners of Chipper's Seafood and Southern Fusion. It's a concept of seafood and soul food. It's something that we thought would be a great addition to the city of Erie and especially to the downtown area. And so we're excited about having this location and just being a part of downtown Erie.
My name is Curtis Jones Jr. I am the Chief Marketing Officer here at Chipper's and the proud and oldest son of Curtis and Vickie Jones, the owners here at Chipper's Seafood and Southern Fusion. Right, so when you say chicken and waffles, for many people that's a bit of an oxymoron, right? So we've got this sweet waffle and then you have this salty chicken. And it's a beautiful marriage of two different things. They're very popular outside of Erie and are more popular in the city as well now. The waffles are made fresh in the moment. We have a special mix that we, again, have different ingredients that make them unique. These huge Belgian waffles. And then you can couple that with our crispy fried chicken wings that are wonderfully seasoned with what we call our love seasoning. And again, that's one of our favorites and highest selling items on the menu as well.
We just thought it was a good time, although we could not foresee the pandemic. It's something that we wanted to do in Erie for probably the last 10 years, speaking with a friend of mine and who has restaurants in the Cleveland area. We wanted to always have something here in Erie, and we just felt that this was probably the perfect time. Through the process that we've been through already, we're doing well, and we're happy the way things are going here at Chipper's.
What's in the future for Chipper's? Expansion, growth, possibly new menu items to make it even more diverse and eclectic for the guests that are coming into the restaurant. Not just Erie people. It's wonderful because we're getting a lot of regional response from as far as Buffalo on a regular basis, and Pittsburgh and Cleveland. There was a couple that came right off the highway from Minnesota yesterday. And so we're just excited to offer something great, not just now, but moving forward in a long time to come, and it's only going to get better.